This is the new Aprilia Tuono 457. This has just been launched in India with a price tag of rupees 3.95 lakh, which makes it about 25,000 more affordable than its sport bike sibling, the RS 457. Now, bookings for the motorcycle are already on for a booking amount of 10,000 rupees, and deliveries will start from the first week of March. Now, let's get on to the specifications and details of the motorcycle. So first of all, you get this design which is more minimalistic and a typical street naked, like it has been stripped off the fairing which is there on the RS 457, and as you can see, it gets a very unique and new novel kind of headlamp which has not been taken from existing Tuono 660 or the flagship Tuono. This has been newly created, and Aprilia says that they had to go back to the drawing board to actually come up with this design. And while the rear section is almost the same as the RS 457, all the changes or the major changes have been done at the front area. Now, apart from that, coming to the features, it gets the same TFT screen which is there on the RS 457. This is what the startup looks like, and it gets Bluetooth connectivity for turn-by-turn navigation, for smartphone, your call and message alerts, and it also offers you 3 riding modes which alter the power, torque, and ABS and traction control intervention, or the way everything is delivered. So it's not just varying the intervention of ABS or traction control, even the power and torque output are varied or tweaked as per the riding mode selected. Now coming to the heart of the matter, this engine, it's the same 457cc parallel twin engine which makes about 47 bhp and 43.5 Newton meters of peak torque. But Aprilia says that they have changed the gearing or the final drive of this engine so that it's more suitable for, let's say, kart rides or for riding in traffic. So most of the torque is available right from 3000 rpm or right up till 3000 rpm. So you can imagine how punchy or how the overall engine character of this motorcycle is gonna be. Coming to the cycle parts, now it is based on aluminum twin spar chassis, which is again the same as the RS 457. It rides on 17-inch alloy wheels at both ends with Eurogrip Pro Torque Extreme tires. Now these are 0-degree steel belt radial tires, which in our experience have been phenomenal. Now I'm hoping that the same experience will be delivered on this motorcycle as well, and it gets USD forks at the front, a monoshock at the rear, and both of them get preload adjustability. And as for braking, you get a single disc at both ends with dual channel ABS. Apart from that, there are 2 color options available. This is a combination of white and grey. There is another one which is in red and black. And before I move ahead, let me just crank up the motorcycle so that you can hear the exhaust sound of the motorcycle. Alright, so that's what the new Tuono 457 sounds like. You guys let us know in the comments what do you think of that exhaust note. Now, coming to the main difference as compared to the RS 457, apart from the engine and other differences I've told you, is the seating ergos. Now, the clip-on handlebar is gone on for this motorcycle, and in came the tubular single-piece handlebar, which, as you can clearly see, that delivers or offers you a more upright riding position, which is a quintessential street naked bike like stance. Now, how this is going to fare out in the real world, how comfortable or uncomfortable it will feel, that we can only tell you on 21st February, which is when embargo lifts. So this is the Tuono 457. This will compete directly against the KTM 390 Duke, which is another sweet, lovely motorcycle, but that's a single cylinder motorcycle. This is a twin cylinder, so the overall engine character and the way both motorcycles behave are going to be different. Which one of these would you buy, and will you pick this over the RS 457? Let us know in the comment section.